Hello, it's Lewis, and today we're looking at linking forms. Linking forms is a very simple yet important concept, as it's pretty much just changing between two menus, or two forms, as they're called. And we're going to use my top 5 favorite things as an example of showing linking forms. Pretty much this whole thing, as you can see in the top corner here, it says Form 1, because this is like the first screen. You can put your text boxes and buttons and whatnot here, but we're pretty much, what linking forms does is changing through these screens. So if I press next, boom, I'm brought to a different screen, a different form, and yeah, it shows and then we got the picture boxes as well. Another one, you can just keep having forms more and more, as many as you want. So that's 4, 5, and this is the 6th and final one. If we get rid of all these, you can see that the code is very simple. This is the wrong. Yeah, I think this is the wrong thing. Yeah, this is list boxes. Oops. Wait, let me just there. You see, yeah, okay. This is the code here. You just pretty much, when button is clicked, you just show the next form. Very simple things that will come into play later on.